You're probably wondering where categories come into the picture. Categories in MarginNote 4 are simply tags that complement your folders, but they can't really work alone because they don't cater for the location of your folders. But like your folders, they have a similar drop-down menu to show all the categories in the app. Go to the new tag icon to create a new category. After naming it, tap the return key on your iPad keyboard, and you're ready to use it. To tag a document, go to the three dots icon and edit category. Then choose the tag you want for the document. This works for any folder in the app, regardless of its location. The category of each document is on the bottom left corner of each document, and you can even change it. A single document can have multiple tags.